Welcome to this YouTube channel. We're going to describe a book that has had a major impact on your life.
One book that had a major impact on me is The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. It's a novel about a shepherd boy named Santiago who dreams of finding treasure and embarks on a journey to fulfill his destiny. Along the way, he meets various characters who teach him valuable lessons about life, love, and the pursuit of happiness. What I loved about The Alchemist is how it presented deep philosophical ideas in a simple and accessible way. The book's message is all about following your dreams and trusting in the universe to guide you towards your true purpose. It made me reflect on my own life and goals, and inspired me to take more risks and pursue my passions. In particular, there was one quote from the book that really resonated with me. When you want something, all the universe conspires in helping you to achieve it. This idea of the universe supporting you in your dreams gave me a sense of comfort and motivation, and I still think about it often. Overall, The Alchemist had a profound impact on my mindset and attitude towards life. It taught me to have faith in myself and the universe, and to keep striving for my dreams no matter how challenging the journey may be.